Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the card trick that fooled Penn and Teller in a famous TV show Fool Us. So let's start the performance. First of all, the magician shows the spectator that cards are thoroughly shuffled. Then he asks the spectator to cut roughly 1/3 of the cards and place them here. Remember this card. Now magician asks the spectator to cut the remaining deck roughly from the middle. Also remember this card. So two cards are randomly selected by the spectator. Now when the magician spreads the deck, two face-up jokers appear. Then he squares up the deck. Now these two jokers will tell the location of the spectator's card to the magician. Now the first joker has whispered the number 18 to the magician and the second joker whispers 43. This means that the spectator's card will be at 18th and 43rd position from the top. So then the magician starts counting the cards. Then he places 18th card beside the joker and continue counting. And he places the 43rd card beside the other joker. And now look, magically both cards turned out to be the spectator's cards. Now let's get to the tutorial of the trick. There is a small setup to this trick. Separate two jokers from the deck and then count 9 cards and place one joker face up after them. Just like this. Then further count 18 cards and place the other joker face up after them. Just like this. So the setup is 9 cards, then face up joker, then 18 cards and another face up joker, and then remaining 25 cards. This is the setup. The rest of the trick is very easy. Now you have to ask spectator to cut the 1/3 of the cards, but you have to make sure that the spectator cut the deck between the two jokers. Show the spectator's chosen card. Then ask him to cut roughly half of the cards. Here you have to make sure that spectator cuts below the second joker. Otherwise the trick won't work. Now show this card to the spectator. The first card pile will be placed first and then the second card pile will be placed. Just like this. Now slide the cards and divide cards into 3 piles based on face up jokers like this. Now this time the bottom pile will be placed first and then the top pile will be placed. In any case, the spectator's chosen card will be at 18th and 43rd position from top. Count the cards and show the 18th and 43rd card to the spectator. This 18th card is the 8 of diamonds, which was the spectator's first selection. And the 43rd card is the King of Spades, which was the second selection of the spectator. Hope you like this trick.